The REDRIE Drone 1080p camera is perfect for beginners, featuring an easy one-key start and a stable hover system to help capture high-quality footage effortlessly. Equipped with an adjustable angle 1080p high-definition camera, it allows users to take stunning aerial photos and videos, which can be streamed live through the app. This drone offers a plethora of exciting features, including waypoint fly, gesture selfies, and 360-degree flips, providing both beginners and experienced users with a thrilling flying experience. With 2 rechargeable batteries, users can enjoy up to 25 minutes of flight time, and safety features like overcurrent protection and emergency stop ensure reliable operation. The compact design and provided storage case make it an excellent portable option for family and friends to enjoy together. REDRIE provides excellent customer support and encourages flying in open areas, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for all users.